Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lorian and this year I'll be making a channel because last year I did make a channel, but now currently my phone exploded, so I got me a new phone. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy my videos and this is a new, not like a new journey for me, but I just want to try something new even though I'm pretty young. So if you guys see I'm not posting anything, I'll just try my best to post as lot as I can. But I'll try my best because I'm still in school and yeah, so I'll try and post a lot of videos for you guys. And you can guys comment what you guys want me to play on Roblox because I'm more of a gamer kind of person, you see. So guys should if you guys want me to play any games you would like me to play, y'all can comment it down. But for now I'll just think of something to post. But anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy my videos or whatever. But thank you, bye.